Hi everyone, today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to graph linear equations in 3 ways. So please keep watching the video and don't forget to subscribe. So as I told you in my previous video, today I'm gonna talk about graphing functions. So I'm gonna start today with the linear equations. So the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a line. That's why it's called the linear. And also, if you know an equation is a linear, you can graph it by finding two solutions because two points can define a line. Now let's move to how to graph a linear equation. So to graph a linear equation, there is 3 ways, and I'm gonna start with the basic one with the table method. So we have, for example, y equal to 5 minus 2x. So we draw table, we write x in one side and y in the other side, and we replace x with numbers to find y. So for example, we take -1, so we have 5 minus 2 multiplied by -1, and that's equal to 7, y equal to 7, and we take 0, and then we do the same things. 5 minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0 equal to 5, so y equal to 5, and we take 1, we have 5 minus 2 multiplied by 1, that's equal to 3, and we write y equal to 3, and we take another point, minus 2, so 5 minus 2 multiplied by 2, that's equal to 1. So now we're gonna try to graph it. So here is the x's and here is y's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's 7, and here's 5, and here's -5, and here's -6. So the first point we have -1, x equal to -1, and y equal to 7. So here's the first point, and we have x equal to 0, y equal to 5, 0 and y equal to 5. So here's the second one, and we have, sorry I forget this, and we have 1x and 3y. So here's the third one, and we have 2 equal to 1. Now we're gonna connect the point to find the line. So now we draw the line. Let's move to the second method. So we find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So to find the x-intercept and y-intercept, we set the first x equal to 0 and then y equal to 0. So let's see in the example. So we have, for example, x plus 2y equal to 7. So first, when x equal to 0, we get, so now we're gonna replace x with the 0. So it's equal to 0 plus 2y equal to 7, and then y equal to 7 over 2, and y equal to 315. Okay, and now we move to y. When y equal to 0, we get, and we replace y with 0. So we have x plus 2 multiplied by 0 equal to 7. So x equal to 7. So the 2 points are 0, 3.5 and 7, 0. Now let's draw the linear equation. So we have x is here and y is here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have the first point, it's 0, 3.5, so x is 0, and then y is 3.5, so 3. So here's the first one, and then we have x equal to 7 and y equal to 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the line, it's gonna be, we're gonna connect the point now. So now we have the linear equation of x plus 2y equal to 7. Now let's move to slope-intercept form. So what's the slope-intercept form mean? It's y equal to mx plus b, whereas m, it's called the slope, and b, it's the y-intercept. Now let's move to what's slope of a line mean. M, it's equal to change in y over change in x, equal to raise over run, y for the first point divided by x for the second point minus x for the first point. However, x2 minus x1 should not equal to 0. For example, we have y equal to 3x plus 1. From the equation, we can tell that the 1 is equal to y-intercept. So the first point is 0, 1, and then we know the slope is the number before x. So slope here is equal to 3. So now we're gonna try to draw the equation. So we have x is here and y is here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus. So we have the first point, it's 0, 1. And now we're gonna go up with 3 here, and then we're gonna go to the right with 1 unit. So it's gonna be here, the second one. Now we can connect the point to find the line equation. Now let's move to graph the vertical line. So the equation x equal to minus 3 represents a vertical line which crosses the x's at the point minus 3, 0. And that means the x is equal to minus 3, and then y can be whatever it wants. So now let's move to graph it. So we have x equal to minus 3, so the line is gonna cross minus 3, and then every y is gonna have the same x. let's move to graph the horizontal line. So the equation y equal to -4 represents a horizontal line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, -4. So now let's graph the y equal to -4. So we have -1, -2, -3, -4. So the line is gonna cross the -4, and that's mean every x gonna have the same y. Let's move and find the intersect point. So the intersect point is the point where is the vertical line crosses the horizontal line. So for example, we have y equal to 2 and x equal to -3. So the horizontal line, it crosses 2, and the vertical line is crosses x equal to -3, so -1, -2, -3. So this point is called the intersect point, and it is -3, 2. That's all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments below, and see you in my next video.